Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please do subscribe, join the family. But today is a very highly requested cover and I haven't sung for you in ages, so I hope you enjoy it. And yeah, I can't wait to release my own music in 2020. Literally so excited. But until then, enjoy my little cover of Capaldi, Bruises. That was a terrible accent. Anyway.
Counting days since my love up and got lost on me. And every breath that I've been taking since you left feels like a waste on me. I've been holding on to hope that you'll come back when you can find some peace. 'Cause every word that I've heard spoken since you left feels like a hollow stream. I've been told to keep you off my mind, but I hope I never lose the bruises that you left behind. Oh my Lord, I need you by my side. There must be something in the water, 'cause every day it's getting colder. Maybe I'm just being blinded by the sight of what we had, because it's over. Well, there must be something in the tide. I've been told to keep you off my mind, but I hope I never lose the bruises that you left behind. Oh my Lord, I need you by my side. There must be something in the water, 'cause every day it's getting colder. And if only I could hold you, you keep my head from going under. Your love I'm lost in, your love I'm lost in, your love I'm lost in. I'm tired of being so exhausted. Your love I'm lost in, your love I'm lost in, your love I'm lost in. Even if I'm nothing to you now, even if I'm nothing to you now, there must be something in the water. My head